Oh, what do we have here? We have suspect shoots cop point blank on my new page, Deuce Live Clips. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
The male on screen is 41-year-old Esteban, who is making his way into a car dealership to claim
always
that their
an
vehicles
Esteban.
were abandoned property and demand that he be given one.
We dealing with this shit again?
When the confused employees did not entertain his requests, Esteban grew irate and refused to leave the property. Moments later, police were called, and Officer Matt, along with his ride-along, walked into the building completely unaware of the fact that he might not walk out alive that day.
Oh, shoot.
Across the street over here at McDonald's. I seen him earlier. I think
Probably straight down the hall. Okay. Very last officer. Hi there.
Hey, what's up? Y'all okay? Yeah.
A ride-along is usually a civilian who accompanies a police officer during their regular duties to observe how the job works.
Oh, my bad, baby. Hey, look, you come over here, call one. Come get me. Because I'm about to go off on this police.
Hey, how you doing?
Shit.
What's going on,
I don't know
man?
why you talking to me.
Well, they called about you. What's going on?
You have no authority, buddy.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we
No,
do.
you don't. You're not even registered Secretary of State. You're color, supposed color law, but you're not.
Okay.
But you're not, guy.
Oh, God, we got one of these guys.
Well, what's y'all stance on this?
Okay, dude.
Y'all
That's
know
what
him
I
at all?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
He
leave.
came here with some paperwork, so
You
that's
leave.
my
Bye.
vehicle out there.
Bye.
He's got evil roll
Yeah,
up
bye.
in front of him.
Yeah, he want the smoke. You can see it in his eyes. He on that bullshit.
I don't need you. Bye.
What happened to your arm right here?
Don't worry about me. Quit asking me questions. I don't have to talk to you. You're color law. I'm attorney fact.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm attorney fact.
Oh, okay.
So quit talking to me.
All right,
Kiss
Mr.
me.
Lauer.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
We'll just wait for another officer and we'll take care of it.
Okay.
I ain't going nowhere. I promise you that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you all- you all want him
put
banned?
handcuffs on me. I promise you.
Okay.
I'll make you stand down.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So
You talking some cash money shit to a police officer? This is wild, bro. Like, what makes people think that they are bigger than the law or that they can attack a police officer that's upholding the law? Whether the cop is a good cop, a bad cop, a dirty cop, it don't matter. Why do people feel like like they're gonna get away with anything they do to a police officer? It's just mind-boggling to me. Like, you know what I'm saying?
okay, nothing.
All right, man.
You have no authority, buddy. So what do you want to do?
Just hang out, man.
No, I
We're
ain't
good.
gonna hang out nowhere because
Yeah,
I
you
can go
do.
where I want.
Okay, you just hang out here for
No,
us.
because you're not
You're
gonna
all
hold me.
good.
You're not gonna contain me like that. You're not gonna hold me in here.
right.
So can you please move out of the
No,
way?
sir, I will
Nope.
not.
You need to.
No, I don't.
You need
Nope.
to.
You just hang out for me,
No, I
okay?
ain't gotta hang out nowhere. You don't tell me what to do.
All right.
I tell you what to do. You're a public servant.
Okay.
You do as I say. So understand
All
it.
right, yeah, just hang out in here
No, I
for
ain't
me,
got
Esteban.
to. I ain't got to. So, Jess, when you get the opportunity,
Boy, I would have been like, boy, fuck your papers.
take my life.
You hold on.
Don't
you
touch me.
you hold
Don't
on.
touch me.
Hey, you hold on.
Hey,
sit down. Hey, sit.
Stand down.
Hey, sit down. Sit down.
Stand down.
Hey, of course he's got a gun.
Stand down. You are a public servant. Stand down.
Get out.
Stand down.
Oh,
Get out.
fuck.
Esteban, quit.
He just put a gun on him.
No, you
Esteban, quit.
stand down right now.
Quit.
Stand down. You're a public servant.
Yeah,
Stand
get out. Get out, Esteban.
down. 18 seconds.
Hey, take cover. Take cover. Taser. Taser.
Oh!
Hey, chorus, go!
After shooting the officer 16 times in 6 seconds, Esteban tried to leave, but he was tackled by the ride-along, who then subdued him with a chokehold.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about right along. You thought you about to just shoot on him and I don't do nothing? Oh, but see, yeah, go ahead and put him in the academy. We need him on the streets ASAP.
Within minutes, the dealership was swarmed with police officers.
Go somebody down!
Oh, yeah.
Almost dead.
Oh, my God, I hope he makes it. Oh, my God.
Where you at?
I'm right here. I'm right here. Help me. Help me. Come on. I can tell them.
Officer down. Subject back in the back room. Ambulance. You stay with me. Stay with me.
He's
Stay
snoring.
with me. Oh, yeah. Oh, what you got? 1960 down the hallway to your right.
Hey, get in the room! Get in the room! He's here! He's here! He's here! I detained him! I detained him!
No, wait.
He's
Whoa.
down! He's down!
Get back here. Crawl to it. Crawl to it. Crawl to it.
He's dead! He's dead! He's dead, man! I killed him!
Oh, you what?
Put him down!
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
No! I didn't shoot my shot with him! He's in the room! He's in the room!
Get this man a beer.
No! He's on the ground!
Give me cover. Give me cover.
You got cover. You got cover.
I got the window.
There's a person in here.
All right, I got you.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see your hand.
Don't let that hand come up. Don't let the hand come up. Got one on the other side of the desk. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Oh,
Yeah, you get me out of here, Jim.
instant karma is what I like to call it because he had no business firing on a goddamn police officer. And of course, the family gonna be like, oh, we want justice. But the justice was just served by the guy that was accompanying the police officer.
You're good. You're good.
You gotta get me out of here.
You're good. You're good.
Where am I head? Where am I head?
You're good. You're good. We got EMS coming.
I don't get no pulse.
Right now, it's traffic, so we need good flow.
Good, because he don't need to be alive anyway.
Let's drag him out. This is the suspect. Max Ryder strangled him.
Did do it, Judge?
Has he been hit or anything?
Search him.
Yeah.
He was riding.
Oh, that's fine. Okay.
I'll put you on a
He is.
headlock, and
He
I'll
was
push him
right.
down.
It's okay. Just take a breath. We need KSP. He's gonna need to talk to him, not us.
Okay.
Man, give this man a job.
No, literally down.
He is a hero.
Matt Davis is down. Matt Davis. I believe that's who it is. Yeah.
Let's get him out. Come on. That door right there. Get him outside. Search him good. Anybody find the gun? All right, yeah. You three, clear the rest of this building.
You got it.
Where am I going? Down here. No gun on this.
Ammo on here.
Multiple bullets were left lodged inside the officer, including one in his traps.
Oh my
while the rounds that
God.
were able to exit his body ended up damaging the drywalls and other property. Coincidentally, all three persons involved in the incident were Army veterans. The ride-along was an Army specialist who was posted nearby and had bonded with Officer Matt over their military experience.
Ooh, look at God. God always know how to send the right people at the right time.
Esteban had also served in the Army and Army National Guard and had since become an entrepreneur in the music industry.
Here we go. We got one of those.
I got you, Matt.
Watch your arms, man. Bring your arms down, baby.
You could tell though, Esteban was on bullshit as soon as the officer walked in, bro. I did not feel sorry for people to act like this. You live by the sword, you die by it. He died by somebody's fist. I mean, somebody's muscle though. Like Esteban, you gotta show me that technique. There.
I'm escorting. God damn it.
Hey, bro, you're not moving in about 30 seconds.
I tackled him. I tackled him right there. Right here, this is what I tackled him. So I came from here, I went out, those are my glasses. I thought I took him here. It should be here, man.
Matt, stay over me, bud.
Don't, man. Don't.
I would be hurt too, bro, because I should have been there with my brother. I feel you on that, bro. I feel you on that wholeheartedly.
Hey, bud, we're both been right over here.
Here?
No, I tell you what. Here's what we need to do. We don't need to go up in the crowd thing. You stay back here, right out here,
Can we get a W Esteban in the chat, y'all?
sir. I tell you what.
There's a room right here.
Yeah, let's sit in one of these chairs. You're in air conditioned.
Front door, entry, exit, lock.
Watch all them casings.
No, he was talking to breathing. Bro, just hang out here. There's nothing else we can do, Matt. There's nothing else we can do.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, I couldn't do anything else.
The what? The rider? Yeah, I'll bring him up here to you. We're trying to find the gun. You want him to go out that way? Yeah. No, just go out this door over here. We'll meet you over here.
When he walked in, where did he leave to? When he walked out of the building, where did he
He
go?
didn't walk out the building. I hit him. I'm hitting right there.
Okay.
I hit him right there. I didn't let him go out of the building.
It's just a kind of a CYA thing, you know what I mean? It's just a CYA thing, just making sure, you know what I mean?
Are you the guy that was riding?
Yes, I was.
Okay, all right. Come with me, bud. He'll take care of it. Just hang out with him.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just worry about Matt. See, I would have been coming here in the first place.
You sure you're good?
I'm fine.
Were you there when the shooting actually happened? Or did you come in when it
No, that's what's bothering
I was
him.
going to come to Matt. Then Hughes and Betchett said that they were coming and wanted me
to go to somewhere else?
to go somewhere else. And then when a call came out, they wanted me to come back here. And I'd already have been here.
You're good, right, brother?
I'm sorry,
Okay.
brother.
Look at me. You're good. All right. This is a one-in-a-lifetime thing, this kind of thing.
I could have let him go, man. I could have let him go.
Officer Matt was airlifted to Skyline Medical Center in critical condition, while Esteban was declared dead at the hospital. Surprisingly, Esteban also sustained a bullet injury to his toes, but he was the only one shooting.
Appreciate you. Yes, sir. Both. Take both. Yep. Appreciate it, bud. We got some guys coming to talk to you.
Okay.
How you like your job? Love it.
No,
Esteban, they need you.
because of this, though.
No, today. Today sucks, but it is
Do you
what it
get a lot of those?
is. Yeah, not me. I can tell you second time in 10 years.
Really?
That.
Okay. Let me see. You're right here. You're gonna answer my questions. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make you do it.
I will try. I cannot guarantee it.
No, not too many. Why Bowling Green?
Love it.
Why?
Why Bowling Green?
Yeah.
I think Jess is coming up too to kind of hang out. Okay. So there's somebody up here since we're heading out.
Why should I choose to live here? Pretty much.
What's that?
Why should I choose to live here?
I didn't choose to live here. I chose the job because of Bowling.
Okay. So the job brought you here.
Yes.
That's a good thing. Okay.
Bowling Green was this apartment was sold to me by an old friend of mine as one of the best apartments in the state of Kentucky.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. This is Sergeant Woodward. Or Woodward. Oh, I always say it wrong. Woodward. And then this is Sergeant Phelps.
Okay.
And I'm Kim Wilson.
Okay, I recognize
This look like a welcome party shit.
I can't tell your name.
Yes.
I'm with these guys.
If they don't get this boy on the department, you know what I'm saying? They'd have failed. Cause he couldn't stop the shooting, but he didn't let the guy get away. You get what I'm saying? It's unfortunate that man lost his life, but the energy that guy was on, like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta do better than that for sure.
Okay. This is Sergeant Phelps.
Okay.
And I'm Kim
recognize you.
Wilson.
Okay, I recognize you, but I can't
Yes.
tell your name.
Yes.
I'm gonna let these guys talk to you for a few minutes.
Please.
I know it's hard to sit down and relax, but if you can. If you want to, that's fine. If you want to stand up, that's fine too.
I'm Kim Wilson. I'm a therapist. These two guys are BGPD, but part of our crisis response team for critical incidents like what's happened
I have no
today.
idea what happened.
You don't know what happened?
I know what happened. He's a guy up here. So he's a suspect, okay or no? Or he's dead?
I don't think that he's okay.
The interview cuts off right at this point, but the police report details his testimony taken at 2 separate instances. Esteban's family also reached the scene and inquired about him, but were not provided with any solid answers.
We had another caller say that
All right,
the dog
sir,
is
so
not JCPenney Park.
What has gone on? Here's your license back.
Thank you.
We have turned the scene over to KSP.
Yeah.
So if you want any information, you'll have to contact Post 3 down here in Bowling Green. Because I don't have any, I'm a night shift officer. I came in at 6 o'clock tonight to protect this incident.
Okay.
So I don't have any information. I spoke to our criminal investigations captain, and he said since we've turned it over to them, you'll have to contact them for any further information.
Due to the nature of the investigation, no substantial information was released until about a year after the incident, forcing Esteban's family to look for answers elsewhere. Officer Matt took his time to recover and was later honored with a congressional record.
I already knew this was a dangerous job coming into it. I knew every day when I shaved and showered and put my vest, my uniform on, I always knew that was a possibility.
It's always three sides to a story. Their story, our story, and the truth. And all we're looking for is the truth of what's going on. It seems like that's right. You can't get justice without that.
Of course that's gonna happen. Your family better be doing this for you, right or wrong. Shit.
Our papers, getting information they hide and stuff. So it's time for the become to awaken. And let's get the information we need so we can go through this process. Let the healing begin.
It could have went the other way. And if you break that down and it turns out that maybe some of those rounds should have hit them and I wind up taking them, I'm completely fine with that.
I ask that you all remain calm, but be strategic. We need justice for this young man.
Justice for somebody that started shooting at a police officer and the police officer didn't let off one round? Right is right, wrong is wrong. That was wild.
We're not gonna stop until we get it. These numbers are gonna swell. And I got a creative way to get more people out here. I'm just getting started. Can the church say amen? Amen. No justice? No peace. No justice? No peace.
Of course, I've had way too much time to think about it and break it down way too many times, which is positive and negative. But, you know, it saved those people at the car mart. And there's people that ask me, you know, about taking all the rounds. And maybe that's the way it happened. Maybe I took rounds for the workers of the car mart. But if that's the way that it went, I'm perfectly fine with that.
A toxicology report indicated the presence of in Esteban's blood, and his cause of death was manual strangulation. No official charges were filed in this incident. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. It sucks that this man lost his life. But at the same time, bro, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. I'm not mad at the family though. The family is doing what the family's supposed to do. You're supposed to do that for your loved one, right or wrong. You know what I'm saying? But in this case, it looked like Buddy was wrong. He was dead wrong. He pulled his gun out on a whole police officer, bro. And sadly, he had to lose his life. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out.